We continue our Valencia walking tour by entering the historic heart of the city, Ciutat Vella. These are the Torres de Serranos, one of the largest and best preserved medieval gateways in all of Europe. Built in the 14th century, they once guarded the northern entrance to the city's walled perimeter. Walking deeper into the labyrinth of streets, we arrive at the Plaza de la Virgen, the symbolic center of Valencia. The Turia fountain here honors the river that gave life to this city, surrounded by figures representing its ancient canals. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Standing tall over the square is the Valencia Cathedral, a masterpiece that blends Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles. It was built over an ancient mosque, which itself replaced a Roman temple dedicated to Jupiter. Inside, we find the cathedral's greatest treasure, the Holy Chalice, believed by many to be the actual Holy Grail. This dark red agate cup dates back to the 1st century and has been used by popes throughout history. Beside the cathedral rises El Miguelete, the city's iconic bell tower that has watched over Valencia since the Middle Ages. Climbing its 207 steps is a challenge, but the reward at the top is unparalleled. From here, you can see all the way to the Mediterranean Sea, a horizon that defined Valencia's wealth. Our next stop is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, La Lonja de la Seda, or the Silk Exchange. This forest of columns is one of the finest examples of civil Gothic architecture in the world. Built during Valencia's Golden Age, it was the epicenter of the Mediterranean silk trade. In the Golden Chamber, we see the opulence of the merchant tribunal with ceilings covered in actual gold. A Latin inscription still reminds us of the honesty and integrity once demanded of the city's traders. Nearby, we find La Estrecha, which was once the narrowest building in all of Europe. The Patio de los Naranjos offers a fragrant escape, a tradition in Spanish architecture. Look closely at the walls, and you'll find hundreds of intricate stone carvings and gargoyles keeping watch. Hidden beneath our feet are the remains of the ancient Roman Forum, the very foundations of Valencia. The charm of the old town lies in its winding alleys, where every corner holds a piece of history. From Gothic stone to Baroque elegance, this district is a living museum of the human spirit. The blue-tiled domes of our churches reflect the bright Mediterranean sky above. Our historical journey concludes, but our senses are about to be awakened in a whole new way. In the final part of our tour, we'll visit the Central Market, a true cathedral of the senses. We'll explore the flavors of Valencia, from horchata to the perfect paella rice. Thank you for joining us for part 2. The best is yet to come. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.